Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video ang Marian Montellano, The Warrior. Warrior is a child. Sa sugat ng Minglanilla. Wait lang, parang last year nagawan ko din ng reaction video yung kumaganda si Marian. No? What is the title of that song? Basta nagawa ko ng reaction video, tapos may angel na bumabagsak. So every year pala si Mariel talagang kumakanta dito. Tama? Please comment down below. So this is the first time nagagawa ko to na reaction video since itong kantang to panlalaki to eh. Never kong narinig si ano kumanta nito, si Mariel. So first time kong marinig na kumanta si Mariel nito. So this is something like a sentimental song, should I say, and very emotional. Sa totoo lang, I don't know, sana huwag tayo umiyak sa katapos ko lang gumawa ng reaction video ng Astro ba yun? Yung kay movie nila na tribute. Medyo napaiyak din ako doon. Anyways, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Oo nga, ito yung nahuhulog yung angel. Di ba? Alam ko ito yun eh. Pala siya si Mama Mary, no?
Strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside me. I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know.
Wow.
Come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while.
Wow.
'Cause deep inside this armor,
Grabe, napaka-divine.
warrior is a child.
Ay, mama, yung book niya dito.
Is a child, unafraid because his armor is the best. But even
Tinuloy niya, no? Pinulong niya. Pinulong niya, if I'm not mistaken. Pinulong niya.
his armor is the best. But even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. People say
Ganda ng...
I'm
Pag mapupul siya, ang ganda ng tunog.
a tree, but they don't see the enemy that lay upon his feet.
Key changes overload. Grabe pala siya si Mama Mary. Grabe. Yung liwanag ng mukha niya, nakaka-enlighten, no? Gets niyo ba yun? Yung tipong, alam mo, yung kumakanta siya na madilim ang paligid, tapos biglang liliwanag sa kanyang part. Grabe. Ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. This is one thing that I really love about Mariel talaga kasi yung emotion talaga, yung nararamdaman niya talaga sa pagkanta is mararamdaman din. Mararamdaman ko din, something like that. Grabe yung runs. Oh, wait, I didn't see it coming. Yung kalmado ka lang, tapos bigla kang bubuga. Of course. She's Mariela Montellano for nothing. She's not. She's not for Mariela Montellano for nothing. Ay, sila yung ano? Wow. Ganda-ganda. Wow. Totoo ba? A child. Grabe yung last part. Hindi ko inasahan yung last part. Totoo. Hindi ko inasahan yung last part. Grabe yung last part. Wait. Isa pa yung last part. Maganda yung last part. Wow. Nice. Galing. Ganda ah. Ganda siya, B. Ano pagkakakanta niya? May twist. That is our for today's video from Mariel Montellano, The Warrior is a Child, right? This video vlog is here in the next one. Thank you, Mom Maureen, for sending this clip.